Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about, if you like our videos, please join us on YouTube by going to our FXStreet YouTube channel and hitting subscribe. Specifically, if you like what Akash and I are talking about, you can follow us on Twitter at Mangyeko and myself at Just Analysis One. Taking a look at Ripple. Ripple definitely a laggard. If you consider the big three in cryptocurrencies to still be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. Ripple is certainly the laggard out of the bunch. It's had some really nice, it always makes me a little nervous about any instrument is when it's achieved this ideal bullish breakout condition in the Ichimoku system, but it fails to really capitalize on that momentum. That recently applied for Ripple on the 15th. You know, it had all the conditions met really to see it move higher, but ultimately that just has not occurred. We've spent that entire time since then kind of pushing the support zone of the cloud itself, and today may be a kind of a heads up that it may begin to break out. I mean, what you've really got going on here when you look at this is you have a pretty standard looking bull flag pattern. And if Ripple can move higher and close at or above 115, that is likely the momentum it'll need to push on and to get to at least that $1.40 level, the highs that were back in September. That is the entry that I would be looking at is any daily close at 115 or above. Kind of matches nicely with the point figure chart, the 2-cent 3-box reversal point figure chart, where I have looking at an entry at 120, stop down at 114, and a target up at 140 even. This is itself an inverse head and shoulders pattern in point figure charting. So yeah, the daily candlestick chart points to some nice breakout soon here, hopefully. So does the point figure chart. On the downside, I mean, if we get a daily close back around that 103 to 102 level, not much has changed there in that respect, where you can likely just see it push down and back into that 80 to 90, the mid 80s to test that as support. But for right now, that's what I see on Ripple. Hopefully Ripple will outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum, because Bitcoin and Ethereum are just kind of hang out. If we don't see, in the absence of any selling pressure, then we should see a lot of the laggards across the cryptocurrency space, Ripple chiefly, should play catch up here. And that would be a nice event for the whole market to see. That does it for me on Ripple. Pass it off to you, Akash.
Awesome, cool. So I am seeing a bullish pennant pattern. I think we discussed this last time. But the new addition that I've made here is this 12 hours supply zone that I've marked here, ranging from, hold up, there's a lot of blue stuff here, 1.16 to 1.2. So this supply zone is really important. If Ripple or XRP manages to close above 1.2, I think it would kind of confirm, so as a secondary confirmation for the uptrend. Like the first confirmation would be obviously the 1.15 level here, which would also indicate a breakout of this pennant formation. Right, so anything beyond this, I'm looking at a retest of the range high here, which comes around 1.14. But if you are a little extra bullish on XRP, I think you are looking at a retest of this parallel channels middle line here at 1.70. Right, and yeah, that's my bullish target. Going back to, yes, it is the right chart. I was confused. I had a minor panic attack there. Right, so if XRP does fail to close above 1.14 or this supply zone here, it fails that, and instead it closes below this inclined pennant's lower trend line here, I'm expecting a retest of this level here, which is 1.05. And the last level that I'm looking for XRP to still make a bullish, like this isn't bearish. And even if it does come down here, it is, I would consider this to be kind of like a good thing. Although I'm not sure if you can consider this wick down here. It would kind of result in a double bottom formation. Let me exclude this. Right, so it would still be bullish, right? And if I go back to this chart here again, like on a 1-day time frame, even if XRP does come down to 0.84, it is still bullish. I'm not gonna flip bearish, right? Yes, although it wouldn't necessarily, so a move down here would again create a double bottom for me. And since it retests this parallel channel's lower trend line, I would be extra bullish here. I would probably open a long that I wouldn't close. So yeah, overall, I think XRP is looking bullish from a shorter time frame perspective and from a longer time frame perspective. From an immediate perspective, these two support levels here, which is 0.964 and 1.01, are really crucial. If we do break this, then the bullish thesis for that pendant is invalidated. In that case, then I'm expecting XRP to form a double bottom around these two levels here, which comes around 0.89, 0.90, or in an extremely bearish case, 0.84. This is where I'm expecting it to find support, reverse its downtrend. As for the upside, 1.26 is the immediate level. Beyond this, it's 1.7, kind of coincides with the middle line of the parallel channel. That's my take on XRP.
Awesome. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.